Meaning of Hanna and Barbera.
Hanna and Barbera.
Hanna and Barbera.
Hanna and Barbera.
Hanna and Barbera. Hanna and Barbera refers to the duo of American animators, William Hanna and Joseph Barbera, who created several iconic animated television shows, including The Flintstones, Yogi Bear, Scooby-Doo, and Tom and Jerry. They revolutionized the animation industry with their innovations in character development, storytelling, and humor, creating timeless works that continue to entertain generations of viewers. Their partnership lasted for over 4 decades until Hanna's death in 2001, leaving behind a legacy of beloved characters and a profound impact on the world of animation.